Ever wondered why we sneeze? It's not just random, it's your body's way of fighting off intruders. When dust, pollen, or a virus enters your nose, sensors detect the irritation. They send a lightning-fast signal to your brain. Your body reacts instantly, your chest tightens, your throat contracts, your eyes shut, then boom. A blast of air shoots out at nearly 100 miles per hour, clearing out the irritant. It's like a built-in defense system, keeping your airways clean. So next time you sneeze, just know your body is protecting you. Follow for more mind-blowing science.